And I can say on behalf of each and every cine lover कि जब आप खड़े होते हैं किसी क्रू के साथ, किसी फिल्म के साथ, तो वो भरोसा ना थोड़ा और गहरा हो जाता है कि आमिर खान वो है तो कुछ तो होगा. Please talk to us about this entire thing.
सबसे पहले तो मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूंगा. आप सब ने इतना प्यार दिया है मुझे. All of you all have given me so much love. Thank you so much. I'm really touched. But the fact is that, Arvind Garu is like an elder brother. And when his phone came, his film is releasing. So before even knowing everything, I had first said yes. You know that, sir. I said yes. Then he said, no, but I want you to know it's coming on 7th. I said, हाँ. So then he said, your son's release film is also releasing. I said, no problem. सब फिल्में चलेंगी यार. I think जब फिल्म की कहानी अच्छी होती है तो ऑडियंस उसको पसंद करती है और बहुत दफा हमने देखा है कि साथ में बहुत सारी फिल्में एक साथ चली हैं. तो all my very best. I really love the trailer. It's a fantastic trailer. It's so well shot and great music. You know, there's a song of yours, Dinka Chikka, Dinka Chikka. That's my favorite song. Yeah, मैं normally मुझे नाचना पसंद नहीं है, but वो गाना बजता है तो मैं शुरू हो जाता हूँ. I promise you. And Salman knows this. Yeah. So I think it's a great trailer. The story, as you said, it's a true story and it's certainly a story which is very moving. And जिस तरह trailer में हमने देखा है, it's so beautifully shot and the emotions have come out so well. Jay is an amazing actor, and so is Sai Pallavi. So both of their moments have come out so well, and I think it's going to be a huge success. My very best to the entire team, Jay.
Thank you so much, sir. I would request all of you to kindly be seated. Thank you so much. Okay, so Arvind sir, I have a question for you. There's a lot of history here. You know, whenever we talk about a pan-Indian film, Ghajini का जिक्र होता ही है. And you know, वो 100 crores और वो एक अलग benchmark set कर देना with this gentleman here. So this goes a long way. Talk to us about that also, sir.
That time reaching 100 crores is something which is impossible, difficult kind of thing. And certain behind stories you don't know. In the middle of the film, he challenged in the sets with me and Madhu that this is going to be the first 100 crore film.
No, sir. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like me, sir.
Yeah. But you
Doesn't
told me
sound like me.
It was a late night, sir. And I thought it was
Short-term memory loss.
no. We were wishing like that, rather we say.
Wishful thinking. Yes.
Wishful thinking. And rather we were promoting that to you.
Yes.
And,
wonderful memories here.
And it did. The first 100 crore club, Ghajini is the film in the history.
Yes.
And I wish I should make another. Now it is 100 has become 1,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I want to make 1,000 crore film with him now.
So definitely, sir. Definitely.
Maybe Ghajini too. Maybe Ghajini too.
So a lot of,
Yeah, something is
on the net is going around Ghajini too.
Going around.
Oh.
No, actually,
This is where you heard it first.
This is where you heard
it
about
first.
it. People started writing about it.
Manifestation, so it's going to happen.
So talking about history, Amir sir, this one's for you. Talking about history, of course, you've worked with this gentleman here, the very talented Jay sir. So tell us something about him. You know, when he was working with you, as an actor, what did you see?
Abba, you think we've checked off everything off our Dubai bucket list?
Not even close.
You know, we had great.
So tell us something about him. You know, when he was working with you, as an actor, what did you see in him?
He's an ideal co-star to have. Yeah. He's absolutely on the ball, complete team player. You know, we had such a great time working together. He's absolutely on the ball for every shot. Doesn't miss a beat. And a great human being to hang out with. Yeah. So we couldn't have asked for anything better. Right. It was such an amazing experience working with Jay. And that got us really close together. So though we don't talk every day, but At one time, we were living out of each other's pockets. We used to travel together, shoot, come back together. We were always together. But both of us have great fondness for each other, and I think I'm so happy to see you again today. Yeah.
जैसा आमिर सर के लिए कहा जाता है that he completely वो immerse कर लेते हैं अपने को whenever he's doing a movie, right? He's 120% there और फिर वो साल महीने दिन नहीं गिनते. So वहां से कहीं से इंस्पिरेशन आया था that 2 years without signing any other movie. So was it like inspired by the gentleman here? इसके लिए 2 साल दे दिए और कुछ और नहीं किया.
Maybe in a way. Maybe in a way because
You didn't shoot anything else, just two.
no,
Oh,
no,
wow.
no, didn't shoot anything.
Wow. So we're really looking forward to this one, yeah? Wow.
Yeah, maybe in a way.
How was it? How was it for you? Talk to us about that because of course a busy actor जो कि कह रहा है अब I'm 120% dedicated to this project and finally it is out. Talk to us about this journey.
No, as an actor, when the role really inspires you and when you're really moved by the character you're playing, the time doesn't matter. At least for me, whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it's not about that. It's about translating what you had envisioned and getting that right. Because today, once the film releases and once it's out, nothing is in your hands. So at least when it's in your hands, when you have control over the product, be patient with it and do what you can. Right. So that's what I believe in.
Right. Chandu sir, based on real life stories, talk to us about that. Did you like meet all those people? Like how did it all happen?
Yeah, I mean, basically it's a emotional love story.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the after Pakistan scenes, so how Raju saved his guys.
Right.
Okay, the other 21 along with him.
Yeah.
From among those cutthroat criminals in the jail, in the Karachi jail. Okay.
Talking about me,
when
sir.
it comes to the village, Satya, Raju's love. Okay. All the way to demachilism, a small village, he goes to Delhi to get them back.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, and this is a real story.
And this is looking very real on that big screen.
Yeah.
वो organic लग रहा है. That is why I asked you this question. It is looking all organic. So did you like have this on your mind? Like, did you guys discuss this amongst yourself that this is how the thing is going to be like? We want this. क्या कहते हैं? Process ऐसा होना चाहिए कुछ something like
No,
that?
I mean, as it is a real-time story, me along with my team, along with my hero, my producer, Banni Vasu, everyone, even with Bhanu Pratap, Karthik, everyone, we went there, we researched there, studied their language, their body language, everything. So it was actually, to say it was a bit easy for them because we have a live example.
Right.
Yeah, to read them.
Right.
Yeah.
Arvind sir, we've got to know that recently Bunny sir also met Miss Bansuri Swaraj in Delhi.
Banni Vasu.
Bunny Vasu.
Yeah,
met
Banni
her,
Vasu.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So talk to us about that. What was it like?